Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing things people do in Thailand. This is kind of another one of those videos where I sort of editorialize a little bit about people coming to Thailand as tourists or to live here. And let me be clear, when we say don't do things in Thailand you wouldn't do back home, what I mean to say is I'm not talking about don't go to the beach in Thailand. If you come from Kansas or something, don't go to the beach in Thailand. You wouldn't do that at home. Well, that's not what I mean. Or you never get to eat pad thai, but don't eat it in Thailand because you wouldn't do that at home. That's not what I'm talking about. What I'm talking about in Thailand is one's behavior, especially with respect to abiding by the laws or just sort of the customs of civilization, for lack of a better term. And unfortunately, there are a fair number of folks that come over here and kind of go off the rails a little bit, and Thailand's not a great place to do that. In a recent article, I found this on Thai Visa, that's thaivisa.com. Article's titled Problem Farang in Chiang Mai, Americans in custody and will be, it should be American is in custody and will be deported. Quoting directly, people in Chiang Mai can breathe a sigh of relief after an out-of-control American responsible for a string of incidents in the northern Thai city was arrested for a second time. Quoting further, he had damaged traders' property in the Ruam Chok area, been filmed calling Thais gooks, and reportedly even attacked a Ronald McDonald statue. But when he pushed over a mailbox, it proved to be the final straw for the authorities. Quoting further, the man was finally arrested again near the site of the now missing mailbox. He was found to be a U.S. citizen on a 3-month tourist visa. He blamed being very drunk on the mailbox attack. Quoting further, the man will remain in custody and when everything is settled, he will be deported, said police. Now, the reason I bring this up is I know most people don't come to Thailand to do this kind of thing, but it's not uncommon to hear about this stuff. And in the past, there may be a level of this where we're hearing more about it because there's simply more media exposure, especially, there's more expat media exposure due to the internet compared to times past. But this is not the first time we've seen somebody, just as I said previously, sort of go totally off the rails and get into a problem for it. This person will probably be blacklisted. I suspect that blacklisting, if it's not directly noted as indefinitely, the fact that it's on his record the way that it will probably result in him being, as a practical matter, blacklisted for the rest of his life. Anytime he comes in, that'll come up in the system. And even if a certain duration of time has passed, for example, 5 or 10 years, the immigration officer may simply just use their discretion under the Immigration Act here in Thailand to just say, no, I'm not letting you in. We find you inadmissible, basically. So this person isn't coming back. This person will probably spend some period of time detained in Thailand, and that is not a fun prospect. I can tell you for sure of that. I've been to many of the detention facilities, both for immigration as well as the prison facilities. Not a great place to be in any country, but I definitely wouldn't recommend it here in Thailand. And it's just something, I don't even know that a video needs to be made on this, but I thought it was something worth pointing out that, look, if you come to Thailand, it's great, have a good time here, but don't go completely off the rails, as it can result in a really bad set of circumstances for you or anybody involved. And it can be expensive as well because, getting legal defense to go ahead and get bail issued, getting legal defense to go ahead and get, a lighter sentence, expediting deportations can be a problem. All of this stuff can lead to just problems across the board, and they're problems that frankly can be avoided. We hope you found this video insightful. For those of you who are interested, we're trying to make videos to provide up-to-date information as soon as this information comes out. And for that reason, it may be a good idea to go ahead and click the bell button, the bell icon below, to go ahead and be updated as these videos come out, as you can go ahead and be apprised of the legal situation as it evolves.